Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to TruDst Wallet. Firstly, when you download the TruDst Wallet for your mobile app, create an account and set a secure password. Now, open TruDst Wallet on your mobile device and navigate to your wallet. Find the digital currency you want to receive and tap on it. Copy the address by tapping Copy. This action copies the wallet address to your clipboard. Now open Coinbase mobile app and sign in. Navigate to the Send option to transfer funds and select the digital currency you want to send to TruDst Wallet. If the currency is not listed, you'll need to purchase it from Coinbase before proceeding. Now, after selecting the digital currency, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to send. You can view the amount, and then once you've selected it, tap Continue to move on to select Recipient page. Pass the wallet address and tap Preview Send to review the details before you send. Finally, hit Send Now to complete the transfer. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.